Right now, from the Room to Room Weather Center, here's meteorologist Maggye McCauley.
Well, happy Thursday out there too. I'm meteorologist Maggye McCauley. Another hot and humid day ahead. High temperatures going to be slightly above where they were yesterday, in the middle 90s for a lot of us. 94 in New Albany, 94 in Houston, 96 in Eupora, 95 in Grenada, 96 down in Kosciuszko. Definitely above average for this time of year. And then when you factor in the humidity values, feels like temperature is going to be back in the upper 90s near the triple digits, near the triple digit mark in Bruce, Tupelo, up in Alcorn County, Northwest Mississippi into the Delta still takes the cake with triple digit value temperatures for heat index values, even slightly above, again, that triple digit mark. So definitely hot out there across North Mississippi for this afternoon. Minimal rain chances today, but we will pick back up on rain chances for your Friday. Here's a look at your latest futurecast through your afternoon of Thursday, staying dry, maybe a few spot showers off to our east, but here in North Mississippi, we are looking to stay dry and stay hot out there for your day ahead. Going into the overnight hours, same story, looking to stay dry into your Friday morning. We could see a few showers though, trying to creep in all along a front that's going to pass through on Friday, potentially hitting Northwest Mississippi with a few showers early on your Friday morning around 6-7 a.m. More rainfall likely into your mid-morning for counties that are touching the Tennessee state line, from Tishomingo County stretching all the way back into Quitman County the further on we get into those mid-morning hours. As we head into the afternoon, we'll start to see a few more showers and heavy downpours around, especially off into these same counties, these most northern counties that are still touching the Tennessee state line. Looking to see this continue to set up around 3 to 5 p.m. So keeping a close eye on those who are sitting closer to the Tennessee state line for the potential of some flooding concerns tomorrow, with some heavy downpours likely. Everything looking to stay below severe limits, but still not fun to drive in. As we head further into your Friday evening, around 7-8 p.m., we'll finally start to see these make some movement, come further into northeast Mississippi and impacting those who are around 82 and south of that as well, all the way throughout your 10 o'clock hour. So scattered showers and storms likely, especially into the back half of your Friday. I encourage you to keep the rain gear handy, because rain chances are not only for Friday, but through your weekend, especially Sunday and then into the start of your work week, looking on the wet side of things as well. So definitely want to keep the rain gear handy as we head over the next few days. Unsettled weather pattern looks to stick around, but this will help overall with that heat that we've been dealing with. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Middle 90s today. First front comes into play on your Friday. Temperatures in the low 90s Friday and Saturday. Another front will come into play Sunday and Monday, which will take temperatures even further back. Upper 80s on your Sunday, low 80s Monday and Tuesday, with overnight lows on Tuesday and Wednesday morning back in the 60s. So we'll have a break from this excessive heat as we head further into our 7-day forecast. I encourage you to keep checking up with the forecast as we have all of these rain chances on the way. Everything you need to know, an updated look at your 7-day forecast coming up this evening at 5, 6, 9, and 10, live from the Room to Room Weather Center.
You looking for quality? Harvey chefs start with the best cuts of certified Angus beef. Then we season them with a special blend of spices before they're grilled to perfection over a mesquite wood fire. And when paired with one of our signature sides, well, the only thing you need to bring is an appetite. Now that's quality, delivered to your table. Harvey's, a difference you can taste.